Small businesses are growing fast, but spreadsheets slow them down. Today, we explore how AI transforms finance from manual work to confident decisions. AI starts with clean, accurate data. It connects your bank, POS, and payment apps, then organizes everything automatically. No more manual entry. AI categorizes expenses, matches receipts, and learns your patterns over time. Cash flow is the heartbeat of your business. AI forecasts inflows and outflows so you can plan with clarity. When issues appear, AI recommends practical steps, like adjusting payment dates or offering early pay discounts. Invoices should be simple. AI drafts professional invoices, sends reminders, and tracks who is likely to pay late. AI also strengthens controls. It spots unusual spending and permissions, helping you reduce risk without extra paperwork. Decisions improve when data is visual. AI turns numbers into clear insights you can act on today. Implementation is manageable. Start with one workflow, bookkeeping or invoicing. Then grow into forecasting, budgeting, and scenario planning. Beyond spreadsheets lies a smarter, calmer way to run finance. With AI, you save time, reduce errors, and make clear decisions that move your business forward.